Dear students, hope everybody is fine. In my last slide, we have discussed about the skeletal system. Now we just go and discuss about in brief about the skeletal system once again. First one is the skull. In human body, the skull is the topmost and the main bone in the skeletal system. Under skeletal system, in skull, 22 bones fused together except mandible. 21 fused bones are separate in children to allow the skull and brain to grow. Next one is neck. Portion of body joining head to the shoulder and chest is known as neck. Third one is shoulder. The shoulder consists of humerus. Upper arm fits into the scapula shoulder blade. Fourth one is thorax, the part of lower body where you can usually call it as a chest region or torso. It is known as thorax. Body part of a mammal between the neck and the abdomen, means between neck and your stomach, the area lies known as thorax. Next area is known as forelimb. What are forelimbs? Anterior limb or your arms are known as forelimb. Next is hind limb or hind limb. Posterior limb. These are nothing but your legs. Next is vertebrae. Now they have number of bones in that. Now we'll deal in little bit in brief. Vertebrae are total 33 in number. Cervical neck, there are 7 type of bones. Thoracic chest, 12 types of bones. Lumbar, lower back, 5 types of bones. Sacrum, 5 fused to form 1, means 5 bones are there, they totally become 1. And coccyx, 4 fused to form 1. All these things we'll discuss in our next slide. Next point is sternum. Breastbone connects to the ribs by the thin band of cartilage called costal cartilage. The sternum is exactly in the center of your chest. Next are ribs. 12 pairs of ribs with sternum to form rib cage. First 7 are known as true ribs. The rib cage is the chest. Above that, a fleshy chest is there. Inside the rib cage only you have heart, lungs and remaining things. Remaining things we'll discuss in my next slide in details about all this skeletal system. Thank you very much and have a nice day.